wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best 12-volt battery isolators. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Audew Master is built with a tough plastic housing to help it resist wear and tear in marine environments, which makes it useful for watercraft like fishing vessels and jet skis. The power switch is large, bright and easy to use too. A side pad blocks dust and debris, and it can handle 12 to 48 volts. However, it is rather difficult to mount. At number 9, simple in design and compact in size, the zoostliss power comes in handy if you're looking to install it in a discreet location to deter any potential theft. It's a nice choice if you plan to leave your vehicle outdoors, as it resists corrosion out in the elements. It's very effective for its affordability and made with solid brass hardware, but it doesn't come with any directions. Coming in at number 8 on our list, you'll notice enhanced battery charge retention once you install the PAC 200 to your vehicle, whether that's a heavy-duty truck or a small sedan. It's particularly helpful in preventing intricate stereo systems from draining power quickly. Assembly is fast and simple, and it mounts in various positions, but the nuts strip somewhat easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 12-volt battery isolators, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, while some models will spur a minor voltage drop to your secondary battery when you flip them on, the Metra Electronics install bay does no such thing. It's rated to handle 500 amps, and you can set it up on a time delay system, which is convenient. It's equipped with a manual override switch and extends battery life effectively, but setup can be a little tricky. Moving up our list to number 6. Suitable for the vast majority of 12-volt charging systems, the aopec Caravan is a favorite of outdoor enthusiasts who want to extend the battery life of their camper, boat or off-road vehicle. It's built with resilient housing to protect it from the weather. It features reliable surge protection, a power indicator light and durable cables. Halfway up our list at number 5. Designed to endure tough conditions for an extended time period, the ehdis relay is a quality long-term solution. It's a basic economical model that's constructed with a strong copper binding post to ensure safe, efficient transfer of current. You can choose from a 12 or 24 volt option. Both are resistant to extreme temperatures and not affected by vibrations. At number 4, the jaycorp Dual is a far cry from the model your grandfather may have used. It's constructed with dual sensing technology, meaning it'll automatically switch focus to the secondary battery once the primary one is fully charged. It's compact and easy to manage and offers an easy 3-wire battery connection. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Make sure all of your batteries maintain peak performance with the Stinger SGP38, which is compatible with all types of alternators and charging systems. It weighs only 1 pound, and it provides a fair amount of flexibility in terms of mounting options. This is a quality value choice that works on old and new vehicles, and it's waterproof for marine applications too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 12-volt battery isolators, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the wirthco 20092 is built to give charging priority to the starting battery, though it automatically charges the auxiliary battery when needed. Its integrated surge protection is useful for cars, trucks and boats with high-end audio systems. It comes with a heavy-duty mounting bracket and offers dependable rust resistance in a discreet, minimalist design. And taking the top spot on our list, the super small size of the Keyline Smart allows you to install it just about anywhere, whether that's under the hood of your car or within an isolated nook on your boat. Its housing is waterproof and dustproof, so inclement weather won't be a problem. It includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, durable lug connectors, and tight seals for moisture protection. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 12-volt battery isolators, or simply click beneath this video.